Dear God, please watch over my family and keep us safe from harm. Give us the strength to face any challenges that come our way. Heavenly Father, I pray for your protection to surround my loved ones, shield them from all danger, and keep them in the palm of your hand. Lord, I ask that you bless my family with your peace and protection. Help us to trust in you and your plans for us. Heavenly Father, I pray for your protection over my family's finances. May we always have enough to meet our needs and be good stewards of what you have given us. Lord, I ask that you protect my family from the evil one. May we always be covered in your armor and never fall to temptation. Dear God, please be a refuge for my family in times of trouble. May we always turn to you for comfort and guidance.